I have taken in program to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. I am not using an online compiler. Instead of, I am using an Android compiler. I had written the program first and I will explain it line by line. This is all because of the only thing that it takes a lot of time to do it while printing and explaining. This program is to find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. We know that we are using these slash and asterisk mark to indicate it is an comment line. I am including the following libraries: standard library functions, standard input and output header file, standard library, standard it is input library function math. I am using non-void main, which indicate there is no return type. And next I am using A, B. A indicates the matrix which is to be taken as input. B is not necessary to be a matrix. And temporary is another variable. And next I am using I and J. These are the increment operators which I am using in for loop. And M and N are the size of column and row. Next C act as the result. It can be taken any name. I am using instead of C as R. Next, it is not at all C is not the result. It acts as a building block. Next, I am using a printf function to have the input of 2 by 2 matrix, which is to be converted into inverse. Next I am using the for loop to take the, here is the nested for loop. I am using nested for loop. Here I am incrementing the row and here I am incrementing the column. First I am using an scanf function and taking the matrix of 2 by 2. Next, to find the inverse, let I consider A, B, C and D be the elements. Then it is required to exchange the places. Exchange the places of A and D. Hence, there is also need for to change the sign. I will do it later. First, I am doing the exchange. This can be done here. I am using a temporary variable. Here A means A of 0, 0. That means a column of size 0 and row of size 0, row of 0. I am transferring it into a temporary. I am using all the in functions. You may include also float, extern float, double or anything. For simplicity I am only using the normal variables like in them. Here I am considering to change the a of 0 0, that means the variable information to the temporary variable. Next I am changing the and next I am taking the value in a11 to a00. Here square brackets are given to indicate the row and column size. Next I am giving the information in temporary, that is in a0 of 0 into the here I am exchanging the position. So I had taken the following thing, that is I had changed a of 0 0 to temporary variable, a of 1 1 to a of 0 0, and finally a of 1 1 is placed by temporary. Here exchanging is done. Next, to find the AD minus BC value, that is here I said that A, B, C and D. Here we should do a multiplication of AD minus BC. For doing this, we know that to find the inverse, there is an reason that we know the formula, that is 1 divided by, according to the example, AD minus BC, and next it is to be multiplied with an matrix in which we consider as we know that we need to exchange the places of, here I said consider this, then we need to change A into place of D, D into place of A, and we should add negative values of B and C. Hence we get the following. There is an error problem. Then it become as following: D, and we add negative to B, then we have C which is negative, and next we have A. Now we can see that we have the following as, we need to change the following, we need to change the expression into following. Hence I am doing the work. Here to do AD minus BC, I need to store the result in a variable. Here I am using a variable B, A of 0 0 into A of 1 1, it means A into D minus A of 0 1 into A of 1 0, means B into C. Here the value can be found. Next I am using, we need to multiply the following expression to them. Hence I am changing the expression as follows. Here we can do the operation to find the C, that is the variable of, that is the result. Before we need to change the values as D, by exchanging the using temporary variable we have changed the positions, that is as we change it A as D and D as A. Here now I am doing the multiplication with 1 by b, that is 1 by AD minus BC. Now I had done that, and the result of AD minus BC is stored in B. By this B, we have the formula 1 by B into a matrix. I am doing the same thing. I had done only exchange. I had not done the negative values. For the result, we can do these two lines before the loop. That is, we can copy this text there. I am adding the text here. Now the thing is done. We need to delete this here. As we add negative, if A, B, C, D are variables, we can get minus B and minus C. These are the values of the variables when I added these things. Now I had the result in C. The value I had taken for this is to multiply all the elements of the matrix A with the 1 by, that is inverse of AD minus BC. That is the result stored in B. Now the work is done, and finally we need to print the result. Here, to print as a matrix, I am using an /t and /n. These are the escape sequences. The /t represents a new tab and /n represents new line. These specifiers are very useful for us to get a matrix. I think I have conveyed the matter. I had written this program for only an example. We can also use these things in MATLAB using a single function called, that is inverse. In MATLAB, we have the thing called INV. It is a keyword that can be used in MATLAB to do the inverse operation. So much more I prefer to do inverse operation is to do with the MATLAB. Now the thing what I wanted to convey is, I think I conveyed it. And next I am running this program. If I consider my input as 1, 2, 3 and 4, by having this input I am running the program. After compiling this, I got the result as 4, -2 and -3 and 1. Here we can also write the printf function as following. If we write another like printf, if we consider /n here and if we consider to give different one, it is different for everything. Suppose a of 0 0 result must be printed as a of 0 0, then we can give as following. Here we write as I and j, then the values are printed here. Next, in the following I need to write an specifier /n. Now we will get in different manner. Now I am running this program. Now see, we can get different way. 4 is a of 0 1. I need to do another thing, that is we need to write here percentage D, which is a specifier to indicate the thing. Here I am writing percentage D. Here too I am writing percentage D. Now I could indicate it with I, comma J. Now the program runs as I wanted to run it. Now you can see the output as 0 of 0 is 4, 0 of 1 is -2, 1 0 is -3, 1 1 is 1. Here the matrix of 2 by 2 can be done in this way. This program is not a standard one. I am using without any new header files. Someone can think that we can include cofactor, header file, transpose. We can use anything, but I am using this. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate in the e-diploma and learn new skills. Thank you. I hope I had conveyed the thing, but I am not so perfect. The thing you said in app is good, but I am only trying my level best. Thank you, sir.